Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to fix C14A problem on Snapchat. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that you updated your Snapchat to the newest version possible, because the newest versions can fix some bugs that can appear also when you're logging into your account. And so make sure that you actually updated your Snapchat to the latest version possible, and also try to restart your phone. So like very basic advices. But if it still doesn't work, try to deleting Snapchat and installing again, uninstall and install again. So by reinstalling your Snapchat app, it will clear all of your data and will delete all of extra information, extra data, and also some bugs. And when you are installing the Snapchat application one more time, these bugs can be fixed. So try doing that. I can also go just to storage and just tap on manage space. So by doing that, you're gonna just clear all of data from Snapchat, and you can do it instead of actually fully deleting the Snapchat application. If you don't know how to visit this page, you're gonna press and hold this icon application, go to the info. You can also visit this page by going to settings, searching for app management, and from here I'm gonna search for Snapchat. So that's it. And from here you can also uninstall this application. But if it still doesn't work, you're gonna go to Snapchat support team and contact them. Search for the contacts of Snapchat support team in their website. Just type in snapchat.com and you will find contact information. So that's it. Thank you for your attention, and please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel if it actually was helpful for you. And I will see you in the next one.